Today the weather seems like quite good, Maybe go to clean the summer house today. Let's go. Before we go, we need to have some breakfast first. So breakfast very important today because if you don't have strength, you can't clean and stay there for too long. This sandwich is made of boiled egg, and then I add some mayo, some Swedish caviar. This you can buy at supermarket at around $7. Otherwise you can use this in tube too. So LG prefer the one in tube, whereas I prefer the one that is fresh. So breakfast must have vitamin. As you grow older, you stop eating so much, so you really need some vitamin supplement. And I usually take calcium, magnesium, omega-3, vitamin D, and to keep me healthy and away from flu and virus. So usually I drink tea with it. And for LG, he do the same. Look at Siri, she choked my place. See, the sea is still filled with snow. You should be able to do some ice fishing here, but not today lah. We have to clean the house. Hopefully it will continue to be this good, and then we can build our terrace soon. We hope to do it before May so that we could move in earlier. Now the snow is slowly melting, and this is the patch that we're going to extend later. This all need to be removed and rebuilt. Better protect my hair with this hanky so it will not be so dusty. I'm going to start off by cleaning the refrigerator, and then followed by the appliances and the oven. It's a pity that this kitchen is quite small. All the appliances that are outside are all full with dirt and dust, and also the hood is so dusty. And I managed to remove some of the unnecessary glass, and we don't have water, so we use this from our home. And look at LG. This is how he usually do. Leave all the thing, then instead of helping me, I have to finish up with his work. Why like this? Never finish up the work. And where is he? I'm sure you recognize this. Some men, they always do like this. Start off with something and then gone. And there he is, craving for coffee and fika. That is all he ever cared about. This is our typical fika. This is what you should be prepared mentally, to be fika at least once a day. This is what we call in Sweden mellanmål, where it always comes with a sandwich with cookies. And powdered milk really works well here when you don't have a refrigerator. The house is quite cold. Luckily, we on the heater when we arrived, so it's not so cold now. With some hot coffee, it will at least keep us warm for a while. Can I have some milk powder also? Did you pour earlier on?
Yep, a bit.
A latte.
Yeah.
Why I bring my cup? We have a cup here. Det är bättre. Vi tar hem den här och så kan vi diska hemma. No dishwasher here, so we have to bring home the dishes. Oh, maybe I should start with this is called the varmrätt. The salty sandwich.
The hot dish.
The hot dish. And then after hot dish, we eat the sweet dish, which is normally sweet fika. Me and LG, we made this one yesterday. It's called neutron grotta. So after fika, continue to work. This year, LG is more involved in cleaning the house internally. For the past few years, I've been doing myself. This year, I keke lah, pretend that I have pain on my back. So I told him, honey, can you help me with cleaning this year? So he said, yeah, no problem. Oh, this year I get a little bit of help. I'm too tired to cook for dinner, so we went to this pizzeria not far from our house. I don't fancy Swedish pizza because I find that sometimes they use banana. I don't like it. Stay tuned so you see what I order later. And someone is getting bored at the restaurant while waiting. This is chicken plate, they called it. It's actually pan-fried chicken with some pomfrets, and this is LG's pizza. I know this is not very healthy, but come on, we are really hungry and tired. So it's good that we don't eat this that often. But this really looks yummy and it really tastes good too. I strongly recommend. This week, a few Korean guys from Busan is coming to stay with us at Airbnb. So I specially prepared some cutleries like chopsticks and bowls that they can use. I'm so glad that they are really happy and impressed with my kitchen. They find it clean and tidy, easy to access. They think that my kitchen is very functionable because everything can be seen visible. Perfect for people who love to organize. I even make a Korean welcome sign for them. It says welcome to Nordic Homestay. I've also written the recycle bag in Korean. Hopefully they understand what I mean. They arrive late and the supermarket will be closed, so I prepared something for them so they can cook if they want to. And I should have told them that I have a rice cooker and a slow cooker too. And they brought their own. Oh my god. They felt so welcoming, they said, and they feel like they are living at home. To us, this is really important. They are engineers from Korea, currently working in the world's biggest battery factory, not so far from our place. I'm so glad they love our place, and look what they got from me. Genuine Korean seaweed and jellyfish. And this special sweet potato wine. You know, Korean, they like to eat ramen with this giant bowl. Couldn't find it at the store, so we try our luck at the second-hand store. After a couple hours of shopping, we finally found 4 perfect giant bowls. I forgot to take picture of the bowl, but I'll remember to do that the next vlog, okay? And LG also found a nice sofa at the second-hand store for his summer house. And it's so cheap, you know, only 700 kroner. I'll take picture and show it to you next time. After that, we went on shopping for some gifts because my daughter's birthday is coming soon. It's dangerous going shopping. You always end up buying some other things that you don't need. As you can see, the store is quite empty. But nowadays, a lot of people get vaccine. I think the situation should improve soon. Look at LG with his face mask. Soon he will get his vaccine. When we get home, we realize our online order for this massage tool has just arrived. You know, usually I don't jump up and down when I'm excited or happy. But this, I really am happy because finally I can get some massage. My back and neck is killing me, so this is perfect. Before I could use it, I need to charge them. We are going to try this ourselves tonight, and if the result is good, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm going to include the Amazon link below if you're interested. LG, he's having pain on his shoulder. Hopefully this tool will help him too. This is our morning routine after breakfast. Usually LG will clear the table and put those dishes in the dishwasher. And after that, I will come in and spot check, making sure that every corners are sparkling clean. To me, having a clean kitchen is really important. It's not just because I'm using it to film, but also to put my OCD mind in ease. I'm very particular about the surface and the sink because that is where bacteria grow. And I clean the kitchen twice, once in the morning and once in the evening. You guys know that when we cook, the grease and the dust will settle on our appliances. So it is good to give the kitchen a deep cleaning at least once a week, especially area near the cooking stove. What about you guys? How often do you clean your kitchen? I hope it will give you an idea what we eat in a day and what we do during the weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. make sure you put the notification bell on so you will not miss my next video. And there are also a few more videos you might want to catch up with, and I'll put the link below. Alright? See you guys. Bye bye.